So I want to show you something mind-blowing. I built this entire creative studio using Google's Antigravity. It is where agents can code and debug, literally build entire sites, apps, games right before your eyes. I kid you not, it's wild. So I'm going to take you through what I built. In this first section, we have the image generator. I wanted to build a tool that I knew our team needed and that I wanted. Say I like the image of this guy, but put him in a New York City holding a Pixel phone. So I can pick the aspect ratio, say I want it 2:3, 16:9. I'm going to go with 16:9. I also pre-programmed different aesthetics and styles based on what I like. We can export it to GIF, but I need to make the image first. So first I'm going to make the image. That looks pretty good. We have him looking at his Pixel phone. And say I want a storyboard. So I built in this feature to be able to share different camera angles for users, helps and speeds up the prototyping process. Where you click create storyboard and it will generate a 9-frame storyboard for you. All right, so wait for this. So this is the storyboard. And another cool feature about it is you can download an individual frame. So, say you don't want the entire storyboard, you want specific ones from it. You have the option of downloading the entire storyboard or just that singular one. Say I download that center image, which is my favorite. I can then do edits to that image. I can export as a GIF. I can do a VO3 video, although right now I can't because I'm on a lower tier. I need to get upgraded to a higher tier because I don't have a lot of VO3 generations for my app. So I was only able to make like 3, I think. We will need more if we can get this deployed. Another cool feature is this phone UI animation. So knowing that we do a lot of UI of text messaging as well as prompting with Gemini, this allows you to build animations of text messages. So you can type in different people, you can add a message. I love your dog, I want to see him in a snowsuit. So you can add a photo to the chat. You can also add emojis. In this, you can type in like, hi there, miss you, and you can change the name of the person talking in the text bubble. Another is you can change the bubble color, and we can add in more colors later. This is something we can tweak. So you can see so many use cases for this, which is exciting. This for Gemini overlays, phone overlays, prompt bars. It's the world is our oyster with this. This motion graphics overlay allows a user to upload a video reference of a animation that they like. So I uploaded this really cool video reference of, a number of phones morphing into each other, and I wanted to emulate this for a video. And so our reference is a video reference. And I'm saying, animate the Pixel phone so it spins similar to the reference attached. Now, I don't have enough VO3 credits, but if I did, this would totally work and it would be amazing. So somebody please help me with the credits so I can make this thing. Yeah, a really cool feature that I'm excited about. Okay, so this last area I want to show you is the voice lab. And so here we can record our own voice and upload that to the asset. So I can allow this time, I can record what I'm saying. So we have, well, of course, generation failed because I need to get more features on here and more money. But let me just, hold on one sec. Is on your right. Okay. So then it would read it in the Gemini voice. If I click here, I also put in Lyria, so music generation. So you can make a track with AI for your asset. So there's so much here. It's so exciting. And one area I didn't really hit on is the VO3 section because nothing in it is currently working until I get more like a higher tier for assets. But it has, start frame. It has start frame and end frame. It has reference images you can upload, and you can also change the aspect ratio and do 2 videos or 4 videos. There's even more here that I didn't even go through, but it's very exciting. And lastly, you can actually log in. I have a sign in, so you can save your generations, things that you made. Of course, you can download everything, but you can also have your history saved. So if I sign in, you can actually create a username. If you don't have an account, you create one. Okay, that's probably not everything, but it's something. So I just wanted to share and hopefully get some way to deploy this to others, because I currently cannot. It's only lives on my computer because I've tried and met with an engineer for 4 hours and they couldn't figure out how to get it to Cloud Run. So would love any sort of support and help to get this deployed so our team can use it. All right, thank you. Bye.